You made it! Frank found a way to turn oleander sap into a poison that can shut down the central nervous systems of the infected, at least temporarily.
Frank, stay where you are. Just hold on. Hey, don't come in. I may be infected.
Let's open this up.
As soon as I can, I'll be testing my blood.
The emergency generator is almost out of fuel. I didn't want to worry West, but the emergency generator is almost out of gas. Unfortunately, I have to watch the entrance. But I'm sure you can handle it.
Yep.
The main fuse of the generator needs to be replaced. You'll find a new fuse in the warehouse right behind the laboratory. The generator is located just a little bit farther. Don't worry, I'll stay in touch through the camera surveillance system.
Mine, asshole! Let's see what we got. Die, you ugly fuck! Weapons all worn out.
Okay. We hit some kind of animal, and the car careened off the road and down an embankment, through the trees. The driver, my driver, is badly hurt. I think his leg is broken. Wait. I'm hearing something else too. What the fuck is that? Something's coming. God, it's something big. Oh my God. It's an orangutan. Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. It's infected. It's the animal we hit. It should be dead. Why the fuck isn't it? Oh.
Okay, now, take it to the generator. Go. Down the hill.
Time for you to go.
Everything is up and running, all right. Now get your asses out of there, because the noise has attracted the infected and they're coming from everywhere. I repeat, they're coming from everywhere.
You again, motherfucker!
Thank you. Seriously. You may have just saved us all. Hey, if you need shells for the shotgun, please help yourselves. Talk to Dr. West. I think he might have discovered something.
It's a bit of a mystery. You all have the same blood type, O negative, but that might just be a coincidence. For some reason, the virus doesn't react to your T cells the way it does to others. It doesn't mutate, it doesn't duplicate, it just dies. The only possible way to make someone else immune would be a complete blood transfusion. Not a practical solution, as it would likely result in your death. Good. Now, this is what I do know. It appears to be a strange mutation of a degenerative neurological disease endemic to this region, Kuru. It's a prion disease like mad cow, only it affects humans, and was first discovered among the indigenous tribes that practiced cannibalism. The infected natives were brought in by their kinfolk, but the kinfolk weren't sick. The question is, why? What's the connection between you and them? Does their blood possess antibodies yours doesn't? The answer could save thousands of lives. I heard they left their village and set up camp somewhere nearby. I'm sure they're not far. I need you to find them and convince them to allow you to take some blood samples. Can you do this?
I'm up for it.
I want to take blood samples, but they won't allow it. For you see, blood is sacred to them. I tried to explain, but I'm afraid I offended them.
Ugly fuck!
Thank God you made it in time. Just a minute of your time. Several hours ago, my good friend broke off all contact on the CB radio. I hope it's just his equipment that's in trouble and not him.
Aye.
Can you check and see if he's safe and sound? I'm worried about him. Maybe you should hurry.
Let's open this up.
That's what I was worried about. Everyone is succumbing. If they come, I can't fight them. I'm hoping you can help me. If I go out there, I'll never make it back. There are too many, and I can't fight them. I'm slowly running out of food. I'm trying to make it last, but I'm lightheaded. I'm weak. I'm not sure if the serum I took will work correctly in my weakened condition.
Uh-huh.
Search through the nearby living quarters. I'm sure you'll find something edible. Crackers, soup, anything. Will you help me? Check the kitchens, all the cupboards.